Here's a look at the emini S&P through the eyes of emini day trader for Monday, August the 29th, 2011. The emini day trader, we like to use the market profiles to examine the condition of the market. So what we're looking at here, this is today's profile and volume profile, and this is what occurred on Friday. The one in between is what occurred overnight. And we had an area approximately in 81 that I had mentioned on Friday, that if the market, there's 81 right there, so you can see the market did hold below it in the early trading Sunday evening, did break through it and held above it, and then we had a good strong opening. And we knew that if it could hold above 81, that would be certainly a bullish indication. And as you can see, the low was made very early, and then the market basically was bought up all day long, had a nice move higher. Didn't quite make it to our 1210, which is our next area of resistance. So we got a little bit of resistance at about 10, about 12, and then about 20. So 1220, 1212, and 1210. Those are our next targets up. The support right now is at around 1199, and then around 1181. So we are certainly more in the bullish camp. That doesn't mean it couldn't back off a little bit tomorrow. It certainly could, down to perhaps those levels I just mentioned. Here is the market profiles from just the regular trading hours. We also use them in our analysis. So you can see our software here, how the market just kept moving up and up. We had a buy here, we had a buy here, a buy here, and a buy here. We had a sell here and another one here. So you can see in both of these sells, or the second one I should say, the first one it was still in the neutral, but because the market obviously was trading above 81, we would not be taking any trade back into that area, into that support, with just a neutral filter. Would certainly have to be read in order to go ahead and do something like that and near a barrier. So no trade there, and no trade on this other short one. As you can see here, the market did not pull back to our dash line. That's our entry price on these first two long trades. Unfortunately, just missed it on that second one right there. We did get long on this one, hit our first objective, and just nicked us here. So we didn't participate in this up move. But we did have a trade late in the day which did move up a couple of points in our favor. So not a lot of trades for us today, but certainly we had a good handle on the condition of the market, wanted to play the long side. There were other opportunities to get long that some of our traders took advantage of. In particular, when the market came down, you can see one of our diamonds right here formed. Rejection off of that near the support area was the natural entry, and they were able to participate in this nice up move right here. So some good money to be made today. As far as our basic trades are concerned, though, not a real lot of money, but still on the positive side. So we're thinking the market's still heading up. As I said, the 99 and 81 areas of support, and then going ahead and taking a look at 1210, 1212, and 1220 as the next targets up. The one thing you do want to watch out for tomorrow, though, is the FOMC minutes will be released at 2 o'clock Eastern Time. It seems like we've got a pretty good handle on what the Fed is doing, with Bernanke just speaking on Friday, but then again, who knows, there could be a surprise with that news, and in which case we'd want to monitor that for it, because undoubtedly the market will have some sort of reaction at that time. So be careful, because the market is likely to get volatile with the release of that news at 2 o'clock, and also at 10 o'clock with the what do we have, consumer confidence numbers out at that time. So that's really what we're looking at right now. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com, or go ahead and just give us a phone call. Our number's on the website. Always enjoy hearing from you. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you again tomorrow.